Hi folks, me again. Let's take a look at how to make a site in Google Sites. I'm right now in the logged in for our class, and you can see our class site there that I've already made, but I'm going to make a new site, and I'm going to do that by picking one of these templates up here. There are lots of them, or you can make up your own. It's blank, but I'm just going to grab this one that says Portfolio. Um, and it should open up as I double click on it or drag it down below. Sometimes it takes a little while. Okay, here we go. And so I can simply change things in this. You'll notice that I'm on the home page right now. That's in black. There's an about page, and then there's project pages. We can add lots of other pages if we want, but let's start really simple. So I'm going to put my name up here. Double click on that. And this is Paul right there. So this will be Paul's page. And I can then fill my name in here. If I want, I can change all of this text. So I'm just going to say, hi, I'm Paul, and I'm from Vermont. I'm Paul, I'm from Vermont. Okay. Now, before any of this goes live, I need to publish. So if I hit publish here, I need to have a web address for this. Let's see. So I'm going to call this Paul's Lead. There we go, Paul's Lead. I'm going to publish that. So Paul's Lead is published. This would be my portfolio. So I could go up here and call this Paul's Portfolio. Paul's Portfolio. There we go. Publish that again. So now this is all got up. So I hadn't made any changes yet, so it's not going to stick. All right, so let's say that's not me. So I want to replace this with a picture of me in here. I can just highlight this one and put it in trash, and there it goes. Click back here, and if I want to add an image, I can click here on images, and I can upload one, and I happen to have one on my desktop, me wearing a mask at the local Trader Joe's. All right, that put it in. I put it in down a little lower than I wanted, so I can just grab this and drag it on up. And drag it here, and there's a picture of me right there. Again, I publish that. That'll now be part of my page. This is what is currently published. This is what it'll look like. So I'm going to hit publish. There we go. All right, so let's say now I want to link to another page. Here's another page down here, name of project. I can title that, I don't know, something about Paul. So this would be, for instance, the first assignment that we've asked you to do for Wednesday, which is to publish something about yourself in here. So this page is now, I'm going to make a link here about Paul. And I want to put an image there about me. So I'm going to upload an image, but I'm going to put my mask in there again. So there we are. It's about me. And now I need a page that is about me. And so what I can do here is go to Pages. And I can add a new page. I got to move myself out of the way here using the plus sign here. So I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to call that page about Paul here. And I'm going to hit done, and that's going to create a new page. There's my About Paul page, and I'm going to go into it, and it's titled Paul's Page right now. It's about Paul. And maybe I want to put, I don't know, a little text in there. So if I double click, I'm going to be able to write text. This is all about me. Okay, there's my text. It's all about me, and maybe I want to put a picture of me or my family or something like that in. So I'm going to go to Images. And we can add those images from various places if we want. Let me double click again. So I could add it from, say, a drive. So let's see, from Google Drive, I could add an image. Oh, nothing in there right now. Or I could go to Google Photos and add an image, or I could do a Google search. That'd be kind of fun. Let me search for me. See what I can find. Paul Bierman right there. I'm going to search Google Images. Oh, let's see. I don't recognize myself in any of those. Let's try Paul Bierman UVM and see what I get. No, it didn't come back with anything. Okay, well, we'll just go back to Paul Bierman for Google Images. Paul Bierman UVM. Nope. Okay, well, we're just going to pretend one of these happens to be me here, maybe running marathon, so I can add that image and insert my image. Okay, there's me running a marathon that's in there. Or I could drag another one in. So here I've got one on my desktop, like this. I can pick that one up and drop it in. That's my family, so I'll get rid of this one that I got from Google. This is about me, and there's a picture of my family. I can make it bigger, like that. And I could preview what this page is going to look like by hitting this preview button up there. It's taking its time. There it is. Okay, and that's my preview, and I could get rid of that preview. I could also preview what it might look like on a cell phone. Again, I got to move me out of the way here by clicking on this, and that's what the page would look like on a cell phone. Here's what it looks like on a computer. Close that, and bring me back in here. Now I want to publish that page. Like this. Review my changes. Okay. I'm going to publish that. All right. Now I can go back to my home page. There's one more thing I need to show you how to do, which is I need to link this. So I want to link this to my page I made about Paul. I'm going to go to this little link icon here. I'm going to hit Insert Link, and I can simply click About Paul. And now this will be linked. I need to apply. I often forget to do that. It's pretty important to do the apply. And then sometimes you forget to publish, and that means it won't go live. So now I'm going to publish. There we go. All right, so now let's have a look at our preview here. So here's my home page. Okay, there I am. Oh, and this is about Paul, and if I click on that, it should take me to this page that's got my family in there. And then I can go ahead and edit this page. Need to get out of my preview to do that. So I can click on here and go back to Google Sites. And then go back into my portfolio here, and I can do some editing like that. But this is the basics of how to set it up. What we would like each of you to do is to create a portfolio page. And then you're going to have, for each assignment we do in this class, you're going to add another sub-page. So as the course evolves, you're going to have about 12 pages down here, 11 pages down here, that each one of those is basically how you submit your classwork for this class, and this portfolio is built. Now, you're going to need to share with us the web address for your portfolio, and that's really easy to do. You go up to the site and you click on it. This is the published site link. So what I can do is copy that link, and then I can simply go to make a new page here. Let me do that. I'm going to open up a new browser, and if I paste in that link and I do this, I'll get to my site. That's your link. You're live on the web at this point. All right. Ask us if you have any questions. That's the basics for making a Google site.